10 parents can dream, and one young person can change the world. Give me 1,000 parents, sir. They will pull Sumu Mountain until the roots. But if you give me 10 teenagers, so they will shake the world. If we have a strong desire from the heart, then the whole universe will work together to make it happen. Presidential power has its limits, because the lasting power is just the power of the people, and above all is the power of God. God will never change the fate of nation before the people take their destiny. Great nation is a nation that honors its heroes' services. Whoever wants the pearl, so they must brave too. Jump in the deep ocean. My struggle is easier than you because I repel the invaders while you shoot against your own people. If women are good, then the country is the best. But if women are bad, then the country will collapse. Reach your ambition as high as the skies. Dream it as high as the skies. Because if you fall, at least you will fall with stars. Independence is only acquired and possessed by a nation whose soul is burning with determination, free, or dead. God will never change the fate of nation before the people take their destiny. Write about me, your black or white ink. Let history read and answer. If God gave me to lives, for example, I would also dedicate these 2 lives to my homeland and nation. Life is not about I can do, but about I try. Don't think about failure. It's a lesson. We are not yet living in the light of the full moon. We are still living in the transition period. Keep the spirit of the eagle. Before you complain about having nothing, think about someone begging on the street. Do not look into the future with blind eyes. The past is very useful to be a Bengal glass than the future. A nation is a group of people who are hard. They have a desire to unite and have a common character, who live on a real geopolitics, one unity. Quotes of the day.